let's do the part 2 of this exercise together. So the part 2 is that we are to fade it in. So the very first thing we want to make sure to do is that we are going to set the opacity on the group element. So let's go ahead and set the opacity on pass in our t that we've defined up top. And we're going to say that we want the opacity to animate from 0 to 1. And just a side note that we could have actually put this in the enter selection because it really is just the enter selection that we want to be fading in. But since we're going to be doing, the animation, the dot transition call down here anyways, it just saves 1 or 2 lines to be expected to. And so we're definitely seeing the animating to the new position. Because we hadn't specified an X or Y, we hadn't specified the translate on our enter selection, it defaulted to all of the flowers being at 0, 0. And that's why everything kind of just like animated in. Everything that got newly created, they got animated in from the top left. And then the last thing we want to do is go ahead into our exit selection. So let's say that we want to have those exit elements, those elements being removed to go from 1 0, and then we're going to chain remove on that, and D3 knows to only remove the DOM element once this transition finishes. So now let's take a look and I don't know if you saw, ooh, look at that. So this may be a little bit hard to see, but you can see that some of the flowers got faded out, and then some got faded in, and they definitely animations, and we get to filter down on our flowers. Yeah, so we've implemented a filter by option.